Hello ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today I'm in Yellowstone National Park, of course in Wyoming. It's only the east entrance and the south entrance are opening right now. Look at this. This is a Bigfoot. I don't know, is it from some kind of moose or buffalo? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Or horses? I don't know. I don't think horses is like this. So, what kind of food is this? so, so right now I'm in Yellowstone National Park, and you have to go through Wyoming, the east entrance and the south entrance. The other two entrances is not open because they are in Montana and Idaho. They are still in a lockdown mode. But in Wyoming, they pretty much didn't lock down anything. And so today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and also Theta token. So before we talk about it, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, and as well as Patreon. So I post a video about Bollinger Band, tips about Bollinger Band, how you look at Bollinger Band in Patreon. In my Patreon group, you can check it out. So this is basically those are indicators showing you how to enter and exit a position instead of using your emotion to get in and out of the market. So look at that. The lake is still frozen right now. Look at this. See, it's still frozen. Everything is still frozen mode right now. I thought they were going to look at this. Everything is frozen. Look at up in the mountains, and they are still defrosting. Right now, I guess the temperature is around 49 Fahrenheit up here. It's not too bad, you know, it's not below freezing at all. I mean, it is, I think it's a nice temperature. And one thing I want to point out, if you come to Yellowstone Park, probably you come here before, there's a, so here's saying warning, you know, if you encounter a bear, what you need to be done, right? So just be careful. Yeah. So they tell you, they teach you basically stay away from the bear, they're dangerous, and then make sure you have some bear spray. I don't know, I have some pepper spray, so can I use that one as well? And of course don't run, right? If you run, that means you are the predator, so they're gonna get you. So just walk slowly, back away from the bears. That's what they teach you, absolutely. And of course keep your goodies, your food and everything out of your I think in a bag, in some type of bear-proof storage. I don't know what do you mean by bear-proof storage. Is it in a Ziploc bag? But they can smell it, isn't it, right? Yeah, they can smell things like from how many miles away, right? So do not approach or feed them. Of course, bear, you won't want to feed them. And also stay 100 yards from all the bears, and then stay 25 yards from all the animals. Do not stop or block the road. Use pull out, stay in car to watch the animals. Yeah, that's true. Yes, even a buffalo sometimes I get out of my car too. So, but I know it's not good. But the bear, I'm not gonna get out of my car. So let me know what you think about this. I hope I don't see the bears. So let's talk about. Oops. I'm walking along this supposed to be a lake, but right now it's totally frozen. Right now it's still defrosting. I guess the best time to come to Yellowstone, probably not in the summer. Summer is too crowded, you know, all the school are out. That will be too crowded. You only see human. When you're taking picture, it's basically you're seeing humans. Maybe after the school, like September, maybe the best time to come. And right now it's too early in the seasons and all that. And by the way, I thought they're not going to charge me the fees for coming into the park, because right now there's still a lot of areas still closed, so I cannot see all the areas. I don't think they should charge people if they are still have lockdown, right, in some of the areas. But anyway, let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, some Bitcoin whales, they basically accumulate Bitcoin when Bitcoin go below 4,000, and also I think they basically, once they accumulate, then they sell again in 10k, around 10k, and then they will buy back again. So that's how they play the games as well, right? No, I mean, not just, some people just prefer to hold it long term, But the thing is, like, it's up to you. One part of the token, I will hold it long term, and one part of the token, I would just do swing trade. Not a financial advice, use your due diligence. And look at this, still frozen right now. Seriously. Right now is the end. Right now is the end of May, right? Yeah, the end of May. So it's still frozen right now. Everything is still defrosting. I'm kind of surprised they haven't finished defrosting yet. It's already May. But it's up on the mountains, like 3,000 feet, right? Above sea level or something like that. I don't know. So everything is, but it's interesting to watch all this still frozen right now. It's pretty interesting. I never come up to a national park during winter, or right now it's not winter, right now it's spring, right? Basically, look at all this. Look up to the mountain. This is pretty cool, right? Isn't it? You want to deep dive, crypto deep dive, you want to deep dive into the ice? Ice bucket challenge. Anyway, let's get back to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, basically, some whales, they start accumulate Bitcoin less than 4K, or around 4K. The thing is, you can never buy, you can never sell at the top, and you can never buy at the very bottom. So as long as they meet the indicator, you just keep buying and buying. Sometimes when you buy the first lot, it will keep declining. I mean, a professional trader, they don't buy everything all at once. They buy at a certain percentage, and when they buy, and when they sell, they don't sell everything all at once. They sell certain percentage in certain price point, or as long as it meets the indicator, because you can never time the market. You cannot buy at the very bottom, and you can never buy at the very sell at the you can never sell at the very top at all. So as an institution trader, they basically sell at different price point. So, but for average Joe or individual investor, they like to time the market, try to buy at the very bottom and try to sell at the very top, and it's not going to work. And at the end of the day, if you follow this strategy, you're not going to buy anything, and you cannot sell anything, right? And then you miss the top, and then okay, I'll wait for the next chances to sell the top. And what if that next chance, the all-time high never come back, and you never sell it again? And what if you buy at the very bottom, you think it's not bottom, maybe you can never buy at the very bottom, right? And then you will never buy because you will think, oh, it will go lower. It will go lower. I will buy it is 3K. I will buy it is 4K or 2K or even 1K. When it's 4K, then you're thinking about 2K. When it's 2K, then you're thinking about 1K. Okay, so and then the same as when you're trying to sell. When you're trying to sell, you think, okay, this is 10K right now. It can go higher, 12K, 14K. Oh, it will go to the moon, 20K. I'll wait, right? So I think this type of mentality, you're not going to get anywhere. Just follow this entry and exit strategy. So before you get into a position, just bear in mind what are your goals, what are your strategy. When do you plan to buy and when do you plan to sell? That is very important. Oh, there's some ducks in there. I saw some ducks. Is it ducks? I can't see really well. Look at that. Is there something coming up? I think it's some type of ducks. And then he swim away. Let's see if I can zoom it. Yeah, he swim away. So you can't do that. I mean, this is totally wrong strategy for average Joe and the average investor. So the whale, based on those Bitcoin wallet. Ooh, what is this? What type of footprint is this one? This is pretty big. Is it bear? Not sure. Could be. Don't know. Usually those animals, they like to come out early in the morning or in the sunset. They like to do that. So in the middle of the day, they usually you don't see them. So if you want to see a whole bunch of animals, go around dawn, and then sunset. Like, look at this one. I don't know what kind of footprint is this? What do you think? Ducks? maybe ducks, right? The ducks is too. Do they have ducks? Such a big one? Maybe ducks. Anyway, so that's why you need to focus on your strategy. Never time the market. Oops, I think my focus. It's very important you don't time the market, and this is just investment 101. This is and never put your emotion. And also the Theta, I think I put a message about Theta token is going to have a mainnet launch 2.0. It's coming up in 20 some hours. Make sure you put your Theta token in the Theta wallet, okay? So the Theta wallet, I believe the last time I got it is you can install through the cell phone. So as I mentioned earlier, use an old cell phone because you don't want that cell phone to online all the time. So you want something to be offline to protect your token. You don't want somebody to get into your cell phone, right? So a lot of times if I don't use the internet, I will disable to data mode or Wi-Fi mode. So just to save cell phone power as well as to protect yourself from somebody getting your information. Because and I don't like to use the public Wi-Fi. So even though they have free Wi-Fi in the hotel, in public area, in public transit, I don't use them. I use the data plan, but because I would rather use the data plan rather than using a public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi do not have any security whatsoever. Anybody can hack into your cell phone. And if you have token, if you have a crypto wallet, software crypto wallet in your cell phone, you got to be careful as well. So that's why my day-to-day cell phone, I don't put any wallet in there. I use an old cell phone to put my crypto wallet in there. And the only time I use the old cell phone is to transfer the token, in or out of the wallet. That's all I do. And of course, the best way is to do the ledger, right? The ledger is the best one, and the hardware wallet. But some token they don't support the ledger hardware wallet. So you have no choice but to use the software wallet. So right now everything is still freezing out here, and it's getting cold. It's like the sun is gone. So let me know what you think about Theta token as well. So make sure you transfer because I thought they already have a mainnet launch earlier. Is that they have another mainnet launch now? I remember they have some back in February. I don't have much time right now. I'm traveling, so I don't know the detail. But maybe this is a 2.0. But I think it's better you put it in there in case they have some free token, or in case you don't have to go to your exchange and do a token swap. I mean, I don't like to put my token in the exchange to do token swap. Even though sometimes just for convenience I will use it, but a lot of times if you transfer the token in the new wallet, they will just do the swap for you, right? But once the exchange did the token swap for me, I will just transfer the wallet out of the exchange. I mean the token out of the exchange to the crypto wallet. If you don't own the private key, you don't own the token, period, right? The exchange can leverage your token, can use your token to leverage the token, or use your token to leverage and then just borrow your token and loan it to somebody. And then you don't want any of that, right? You don't want any of that. You don't want somebody to take advantage of your token. You're sitting at the wallet is better, because sometimes there are free airdrops as well, right? For example, Theta token, you put Theta token in the wallet. They have T-Fill, which is the utility token as well. Just like Neo, they have a gas token, and a whole bunch of other platforms. They have that utility token as well. And those utility tokens also worth money as well. You never know. So if the next bull run is coming, those right now considered as worthless token may be worth quite a bit in the next bull run for the altcoin. Not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. I'm not your financial advisor. So let me know what you think about all this Bitcoin whale. They're trying to buy up everything whenever there's a dips in the market. And of course, maybe I will talk about gold in the next video. Anyway, so let me know what you think about this. Please comment below. Did you transfer your token back from the exchange, the Theta token, to your crypto wallet? Please comment below, and make sure you do it before, I think it's only 20 some hours left before the mainnet 2.0 launch. And if you find this video interesting, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. Hey, you know, look at up front, there's some steam coming up, maybe because of the melting of the ice, probably. Let's see. Anyway, if you're interested to see what's going up, I'm going to walk up there. You can still watching. Otherwise, you can peace out. But this is interesting. I think it's the melting of the ice. I forgot to come up here and look at it. Yeah, the ice is melting and all this steam coming out right from there. Did you guys see that? Or you don't see that? Sometimes with no sun, without the sun, it's difficult to see the steam. Yeah, let me see. I'm wearing my sunglasses, I can't see very well. Did you see the steam coming out? Did you see that? Please comment below. Because I don't know how the video come out, because right now it's so bright. Sometimes I couldn't see what I'm recording. And I can't see the screen of the cell phone, what is in there. But this is interesting. I mean, I thought winter is not interesting to come here, but it still have an interesting take on it. But right now it's only the video is only 16 minutes, but I think my hand is also already frozen already. But right now it's like 49, 45, right? See, look, did you guys see that? The steam. All right, peace out. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe. Peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency and commodity stock market can have inherent risks. Please use your due diligence. I'm not your financial advisor. If you have any questions or concerns about your investment, you should contact your financial planner. And peace out.